Have you heard of Google before? Probably yes, because Google is one of the largest companies in the world with millions and millions of people going to Google every single day to search for information, reading, watching videos, and visiting websites. But do you know that you can actually make a lot of money from a simple Google trick? There's a small group of people that are quietly using this secret method and banking $1,000 even up to $5,000. This exclusive information was never shared to the public until today, because right on this video, I'm gonna reveal and expose everything to my subscribers so that you can profit from this little-known Google trick as well. As long as you have a smartphone or a computer and internet connection, you can do this without any money because this is a free method and this is working worldwide.
Before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. Now let's dive in straight into the video.
Now the first step, I want you to go on to Google and I want you to search for this keyword Google News, or just click on this button here and just choose on this logo. You can see here News, and just click on that, and from there that's going to bring you to this page on the Google News. Now please keep watching and continue to follow what I show you in order to get paid from Google. Now one thing you'll notice is that Google will try to categorize all the news into different most popular categories. For example, there's business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. These are all the favorite topics that people would love to watch. Let's just say when I click on the health section, that's going to bring me to this page where I can find all the news related about the health category. Moving on to the next step, I want you to choose on any one of these articles. Let's just say if I like this article, I can just click on this link and that's going to take me to the official article. You can see here that's the entire news about this particular topic. And this is where the magic happens. You can actually use Google News and using other people's articles. This professional article that we can make money from. Now let's just say if I like this article, just copy one of the sentences, copy this entire paragraph. I just click on the copy button. Moving on to step number 2, I want you to go on to Spinbot. Now you can go to spinbot.com. Basically, this is a free app and free software that allows you to do article spinning. You can see here article spinning and text rewriting. Now the concept here is really simple. They basically have 2 boxes right on their website. Box number 1 is where you can enter the text to rewrite the article. That's where we're gonna paste the entire paragraph and articles into this box. And when I scroll down below, I can just click on the go button and this software will automatically help me to rewrite this entire article and paragraph into a brand new unique article. So all you're going to do is click on this I'm not a robot and you can just click on the go button. And as you can see here, with literally just one click of a button, it's gonna automatically help you to rewrite the entire text into a brand new article. Now for some of you guys who already know the power of this strategy, you can literally use the power of Google, especially Google News. I find different hot topics and different popular articles that are professionally written by other people. Moving on, we can use the power of AI technology and Spinbot to rewrite the articles into a very unique content, and we can use this brand new article and we can make a lot of money, especially PayPal money, then transfer to a lot of different payment options. Now moving on to step number 3, once you've successfully rewritten a few articles, you're gonna go onto different websites in order to get paid. Now this video, I'll show you a total of 3 different websites. Make sure you watch until the end to learn all of them because the more websites that you sign up, the more money you're going to make. Now for website number 1, which is TextBroker, you can go to textbroker.com. Once you come over to the home page, I want you to click on this button, I write content, and you're going to click on this payment. It's gonna show you your potential earnings and how much money you can actually get paid. Now, depending on the quality of your articles, they're gonna rate you from 2 stars up to 5 stars. Different ratings will earn you different amounts of money per words that you read. Once again, I just wanna re-emphasize that you don't have to write any of your own articles. You don't need any writing skill, you don't need any technology or experience. All you have to do is just just simply follow this simple strategy. Go into Google News and find the simple professional articles written by other people and using the power of Spinbot to rewrite the entire content and articles. And that's how you can get paid from Google, and anyone can do this, especially if you're using high quality Google articles. You should be able to get ratings about 4 to 5 stars, which you can get paid 1.4 cents up to 5 cents per word. Now let's just say if you're getting a 5-star quality, which you can easily get if you use the Google articles as your basis. And from there, you can actually estimate how much money you can earn depending on the word count. For example, if you're writing an article about 2,100 words, which means from one single article, you get about $105. And this is literally one of the easiest ways I've seen in a while for brand new beginners to be able to take advantage of this strategy to make some real easy money online. And if you are able to find a long article, for example, up to 5,000 words, you can get up to $255 from just one single article. There are so many articles right there on Google News, and you can combine a few articles into one. There are so many similar topics right here on Google News, and you can literally combine 3 up to 5 different articles into one single article. And from there, you can easily increase the word count in order to get paid more money on this website. Here are the few reasons why you should join Textbroker. This is 100% free registration, and you have a flexible time. You can submit as many articles as you want, and then they pay you weekly. You can receive weekly payoff. Once you've earned $10 US, you can begin to cash out into your account. Now moving on to the next website where you can get paid by simply submitting article is iWriter. You can go to iWriter.com. These are the 5 easy steps in order to get paid. Step number 1, you can register for a free account. Step number 2, you have to choose on what type of category you want to work on, what type of articles you want to write. You can see here you can choose from any one of these popular categories, which is business, technology, entertainment, and so on. Step number 3, you can actually submit your articles. Step 4, they're gonna review the article. And step number 5, once they approve the article, they're gonna pay you the money. You can see here, depending on what packages people are buying, you're able to earn different amount of money. Say for example, on the most popular package, on average 150 words, you can earn about $4.70. If you are writing 3,000 word articles, you can earn $66. And the good thing is that when you're offering a really good quality article, you're able to go into the Elite Plus category, where you can see here up to 3,000 words, you can get paid $217.50, which is a really good amount of money. You can use the same articles and you can submit them to iWriter.com, and you can also submit them to Textbroker.com as well. From just one single article, you can get paid from multiple different income streams when you sign up on multiple websites. And once again, the registration is 100% free, and this is available worldwide. So right now, we're gonna go into the website number 3, which is Scripted. Now you can go to Scripted.com. Basically, they're going to pay you for whatever article that you've written. Now all you have to do, just click on this button on top, become a writer, and that's going to take you to this page where you can become a freelancer on Scripted, and you can submit your application right on this page. Now once again, you can work in any industry, in any different categories, and that's exactly why Google and Google News is so powerful, because they literally cover the most popular and the most hot topic that people actually want, and the most famous one including technology, entertainment, science, and even health. And there's just so many different resources, different news, and different articles, and they're gonna keep updating them every single day. And no other people are talking about this strategy, and that's the reason why I try my best to share with you the most updated and the most cutting-edge technology. And by using this AI technology, which is Spinbot, you're able to rewrite entire articles into your brand new content. And this is beginner friendly for anyone in order to get started, and once again, the payment is guaranteed. You can get paid automatically 15 days after your job is accepted, and you can literally set your own price on this website. You can charge a lot more money compared to the previous 2 websites. Now for the first website, Textbroker, you can earn about $160 for 3,200 word articles, and for the second website, you can earn even more money, up to $217 for a 3,000 word article. And right on this website, Scripted, started, you can earn double more money and earn even up to $300 from just one single article. They pay you a really high rate and you can work from anywhere you want. They are accepting over 20 plus different countries right now. So all you have to do is just click on the apply now button right here. And that's going to take you to this page where you can complete the registration. Just put in your email, your first name, last name, and the password to create a free account. So that's exactly how you can use the power of Google and Google News to put up different articles and rewrite the content and submit them into 3 different websites in order to get paid from Google.
Before we end the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks to make more money online. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace!